Okay, so tell us how we connect this controller to the ODU. Our ODU's outside. We know it's using Ethernet Cat5e or Cat6, as you've explained.
Yeah.
So what else do we need to do to be up and running then?
When the SimRush product arrives, you'll get a 48 volt power supply pack and an IEC cable to go with it. So that's just a standard IEC to 13 amp plug, and then this power pack goes into the back of the controller. There's a DC plug-in, and then the cable will fit between those two bars to prevent the power supply from inadvertently disconnecting or being pulled out. That's all you need to do as far as the power supply is concerned. So on the SimRush controller, if it's a SimRush Pro with Wi-Fi, then you'll see an array of 4 antennas. If it's desk mounted, then those antennas need to be vertically aligned. They should all be parallel, not like you see on some adverts where they're all twisted and in a nice fan array. That's not how 4x4 or Wi-Fi 6 works. They should be vertically aligned, evenly spaced. So if this was mounted on a wall, there are 2 crosshairs and there's a screw pack that comes with the controller. If that's going to be wall mounted, then again the antennas would be vertically positioned like so.
Tell us how to connect the controller to the ODU then, Pete.
Okay, so once the outdoor unit is mounted, then we've got the external grade Ethernet cable, which will be going through the watertight ferrule. So that'll be going screwed in nice and tight. That keeps this all nice and watertight. The cable will be coming out the bottom, in through to the property, and will connect to Ethernet port number 10. And if you can see at the bottom there, it does say PoE out. That's for an outdoor unit number 1, a SimRush ODU 1. Ethernet 9 is available if you have a second outdoor unit, but Ethernet 10 is the only one that would actually provide power to the outdoor unit. So that's the port we're looking for. Ethernets 2 through to 8 are for your standard LAN connections. They're all gigabit Ethernet ports. So you've got 8 of those available, and there is one port, Ethernet 1, which is available for an auxiliary broadband.